running out of time. My world will never be completely safe without Sonic's energy. Time to finish what I started. If Sonic wants to save those pirates, you have to come and get them. Grip parties! Bring the pirates to me!